Welcome to the CFD weekly overview of the global financial markets. The shared European currency was little changed last week. German economic sentiment disappointed on Monday, while the health crisis in Europe is getting more serious ahead of the ECB monetary policy meeting scheduled for Thursday. As usual, the British pound was quite volatile. It strengthened first, but quickly receded over the few days. The EU's chief negotiator, Michel Barnier, returned to London for a fresh round of post-Brexit talks, where his team is expected to remain until Wednesday. Hopes for a last-minute deal remain strong. The Japanese yen strengthened as investors flocked to safe havens. A big increase of the number of infections around the world with exponential growth potential weighed on market sentiment. Overall, the dollar index was little changed. US stock indices fell last week. Democrats and Republicans remained far apart from agreement over a new fiscal stimulus deal, which is likely to be adopted after the November 3rd elections. Big tech companies such as Amazon, Facebook, and Alphabet will publish their quarterly results this week. Gold prices were little changed as investors paused while attempting to anticipate the result of US presidential elections. Crude oil prices fell sharply last week. Record numbers of new infections forced some countries to impose fresh restrictions, lowering the mobility of people. Meanwhile, the number of oil drills in the US continued to surge, while Libyan production is expected to reach 1 million barrels per day in the coming week, according to the country's national oil company. However, Hurricane Zeta, the 11th hurricane of the season, prompted energy firms and ports along the US Gulf to halt production on Tuesday, providing support for oil prices. You've been watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets.